Okay, in this situation, one of the wires has come off the small solar cells and we want to reattach it. So sometimes there's a little bit of this white silicone on the wire still. Scrape that off a little bit if you can. Then use a soldering iron to melt and add a little bit of solder wire. I would recommend putting a piece of cardboard under this. Cardboard's pretty good at being a base to work on. So we just walked out of that solder. Let's see if we can make it stick. All right, there's some solder on the tip. In this case, I'm going to scrape off some of this silicone just to see where it got detached. And we could try to attach it there, but it's a little mysterious. But there's a big solder joint here. So this red wire is for the positive connection. You see a plus sign there. There's also these little side terminals you can reattach it to. So we're going to reattach it back to the solar cell at that point. And since there's solder on both the solar cell and the wire, we can do this with two hands. Just melt it together, take it away, let it cool and solidify, and then you put your finger on the solar cell, pull on the wire. It's a solid connection. You've reattached the wire and it's electrically ready to go. So what you might do to create a little better strain relief on this cell going forward is take a piece of packing tape. I use the hand tearable type, so you can cut this with your fingernails and then just wrap it around. It's fine to go over the front of the solar cell. It's not going to really decrease the solar intake. And then wrap this around again on the back side. It's not pretty, but it will hold the wires in place and keep it from yanking off in the future. And there you have it. So that's ready to go again.